Hey guys, glad to see you on the channel. Oddly enough, but even charities and churches need a quite logo design, and most likely every senior designer has experiences in such works. Some time ago I received one of these projects which we will analyze today. We will implement today's project using the grid and of course add it to appropriate playlist. We have previously released the first version of this format. Please follow the link to watch this video. If we search for church logo design on the web, we will see a lot of cross designs. I don't think it's bad, although it's too trite, since for the target audience of such communities, logo design is not as important as spiritual values. Probably when choosing between a logo design with a cross or something more abstract, most would opt for the first option. And this is quite normal, but how can we avoid this and create abstract design while meeting the requests and values of the target audience? Let's try to figure this out today. Let me first describe to you the main aspects of the project that should be taken into account. Its name is Blue Water Church, the church is Baptist, hence the water-related name. So this idea can be somehow used when creating a logo. The client is looking for something flat, modern and clean. He needs a logo that represents some elements of what they do. I have an idea that I would like to implement. Let's switch to Adobe Photoshop when I'll create a sketch. So guys, I have completed the sketching process. You may have already been able to see the meanings that I tried to embody in the design, but it's still very interesting to hear your opinion. Please write about it in the comments below. At the end of the episode, I'll tell you my ideas and we can compare them with yours. Let's jump to Adobe Illustrator and create a logo based on the sketch step by step. So guys, this design is very simple, but at the same time it contains meanings that it was important to consider. We will use separate layers for the sketch, and for design we will create another one. This way we can easily lock the sketch layer when we create the design, and we can also hide it without any problems to see the result. Let's get started. Reduce the transparency of the sketch by 30% and lock the layer. Let's draw 9 vertical lines. Let's fit the last one to the right part of the sketch. Now with all the lines selected, click Vertical Distribute Spacing on the Align panel, aligning them with respect to each other at the same distance. Select all lines again, duplicate them Ctrl+C and place the copy in the same place Ctrl+Shift+V, and just rotate them 90 degrees with the left mouse button and holding Shift. Let's fit the lines under the bottom part of the sketch, and for the upper part create an additional line. Like this. Fine, I'll hide the extra segments. Now I'm going to draw the circles. Let's create one for the entire width of the design, starting from the bottom of the grid. Now I'm just going to copy this ellipse, Ctrl+C, and paste it the same place, Ctrl+Shift+V, and reduce it by 1 square. I'll do the same action 2 more times. No surprise, but the logo design grid is ready. Now use the Shape Builder tool. We'll create a design by combining shapes. Excellent, just move the created mark to the side and delete everything else. Let's decide on the font. I'm going to use the name on 2 lines. Like this. Let's select the appropriate typography and then adjust it to the size of the symbol. I like the parallel font. Let's select bold. Customize the kerning a bit, but I actually think it's okay. And create outlines. To indicate the height of the font, I'll take these 2 lines. And the distance from the mark to the name will be 1/3 of the same segment. As I mentioned at the very beginning, the church is Baptist and the main element of their faith is associated with water as a baptismal procedure. I have chosen the following colors directly related to this. Let's apply them and create some variations. Let me briefly describe all the meanings I put into the logo design. The main idea of the mark is to depict water as the personification of faith through baptism. The symbol expressing water is the way confidently carrying the church cross. In the geometrical logo design there is a letter J dedicated to Jesus. Guys, I would like to thank you for your support. Now we have a small community, but we are gradually growing, and it's your kind words and feedback that make us stronger. Please feel free to watch our other episodes. I also be very grateful to you if you subscribe to our channel and like this and other videos. All excellent mood. See you.